Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to load your own music on hold directly onto the phone systems, and also how to convert the audio to WAV files. Now you no longer need MP3 players. So I'm assuming you have your login credentials from your installer. You're either going to have installer level or admin level. So once I type the correct password, we'll be off. Alright, hit login. Alright, so now that we're in, top right hand corner, hit the hammer icon. So on the left hand side, you go to System Control, MOH, and then you can go to Install. Sorry, first we've got to go to Status to see what OGM block we can install it on. So BGM 1 is the default music on hold, and number 2 is one that's already been loaded to the system. So we'll use number 3. Back to install and browse. So you select the new audio. Take note, this one's MP3. We select location number 3 and we execute. Now, it only says WAV file is accepted or allowed. And now you're asking, how are you going to convert the MP3 file to a WAV file? G711.org. So this is another site that does audio conversion, but this site focuses more on the telephone industry. It's compatible with most systems out there. I haven't come across one that it's not compatible with yet. If you find one, comment it below. Open a new tab and browse to g711.org. Alright, so you'll see all these presets for different platforms that you could use. It's already set to standard definition, which is what the Panasonic accepts. Browse to the file, select OK, or open, sorry. Leave everything as is, as the Panasonic accepts that, and it plays pretty good quality. Right, so now you've got the online link to download your file. So just download it, save it somewhere you'll remember, and you'll be loading this to the NS700. Or whatever system you're loading it to. And it says there that the link is only valid for 24 hours, which is fantastic for a free service. Browse to the location to save it, hit save. Now go back to the previous tab for your NS700. Browse to it, select the newly converted WAV file. Okay. Make sure you've got the right BGM number selected. It's making sure you're okay that you're going to be transmitting a WAV file to the phone system. That's more important if you're doing it remotely. Okay, so it takes some time, depending on how large the file is. Could take up to a minute or two. This isn't a big file. But while we're waiting, just smash that like button. Alright, have you smashed that like button? Thank you. Alright, I think I'm going to have to cut this because it's taken a bit too long. So that took about 3 minutes. And the file was about 3.3 megs, I'd say. So it might take a bit longer if you're doing it remotely as opposed to locally. So you hit the OK button. So now the file's on your system. So you go to status menu, so you can see your file on BGM3. In the size column, you'll see 211, which means that's how long the clip is, 211 seconds. Okay. And at the top there, it tells you the total available time on the phone system. So back up the top, click on the gear icon at the top right hand corner, or the house. leads to the same place, back to system programming. Now we must tell the system that we want to use the MOH3 channel for music on hold. And on the left you hit PBX configuration, system, then operator. And the option for music on hold, it's already set to BGM2, but we want it to BGM3, and hit apply or OK. Hitting OK saves the work and closes the window so you can move on. Hitting apply saves the work but leaves the window open so you can continue. There's no need to hit apply and then OK like I see a lot of people do. So now that we have finished, hit the floppy disk to save the running config and then hit log out. Always remember to log out, especially for an admin account, because you won't be able to terminate the previous session. You'll have to wait the 10 minutes for it to time out. If you're an installer account, you can always kick out the previous session, force yourself in. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you've made it this far, hope you've smashed that like button and the subscribe button for my future videos. If you have any suggestions for any other videos, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.